Sweet, so here we have the float method. It's how we separate our onion seeds, because we can't winnow the onion seeds because the carbon is the same weight as the seed. So we use the float method to separate it and also separate out the light seed, which causes low germination. Seeds. This is lime leek. And just pour it on the water. And we slowly tap it. That allows all the good seed to go to the bottom, whilst the light seed and the carbon stay in limbo and stay on the top. So we're just removing all the excess light seed and carbon material, whilst all the good seed is at the bottom. And we do this very slowly. We don't want to get all the good seed out. And we repeat this process until it is nice and clean. Do it like 2 times over. And you've got yourself clean onion seed, which needs to be put in the dryer for about 3 days.